11 kilometers of books, exactly the distance between Jerusalem and Bethlehem. A small anecdote to narrate the wealth contained in the approximately 200,000 volumes of the library of the École Biblique of Jerusalem, the oldest institution of biblical studies in Jerusalem, founded in 1890 by Father Lagrange. These very days mark 20 years since the last renovation, and there is no shortage of challenges. Taking the opportunity of the French presidency of the European Union, the occasion was celebrated in the presence of personalities from the local and international academic world, scholars, diplomats and representatives of institutions. Among them, Ambassador Sven Kühn von Burgsdorff, head of the European Union delegation in the West Bank and Gaza Strip, and René Troccaz, Consul General of France in Jerusalem. A moment to take stock and meet challenges.
A library is a challenge, you know. First you have to maintain it, to buy books, scientific journals, to have a staff, to have a good IT system, you know. A modern library at the academic level is quite a challenge. Then we need as well for the future to extend our building, you know, because we keep buying books. And so it's a kind of challenge, permanent challenge, you know.
The library is spread over 2 floors of about 2,000 square feet, houses about 1,500 collections, and about 5,000 new volumes come in each year. Researchers and professors from all over the world come here.
The things that you see there, it is the treasure of the library. You will see very, very famous books. Some of them we are alone in the world to keep it and to have it.
One of the treasures is the reproduction of the letters of Peter.
It's a manuscript in Greek. It's coming from the Bodmer tree. It means that it is the 3rd century.
Walton's 6-volume 17th century polyglot Bible is the last Bible to be reproduced in 9 languages: Latin, Ancient Greek, Arabic, Chaldean, Hebrew, Ethiopian, Persian, Samaritan and Syriac.
In the world there is 4 or 5 libraries who have it. Everybody who works on the Bible, when they want the original translation of the Bible, they have to use this Bible.
A 12th century manuscript in Coptic Bohairic occupies a special place.
It is our treasure of treasure. It is a famous one because we are alone to have it in the world. We have a lot of manuscripts like that in Bohairic Coptic, but they have 7 pages. But our own have 450 pages.
These treasures speak not only of the richness of past centuries, but also of the role and challenges that culture can and must play in today's world.
We are living here in East Jerusalem in a quite tense place. And so we do feel really called to be a place where people can meet and encounter, you know. And we receive scholars from different religions, different backgrounds. And I think culture is a wonderful place to overcome, in some ways, the divisions of the world.